Hi everyone, and welcome back to a rather overdue video from the Trusted Car Products Testing Studio. We've been absolutely inundated with product testing, and we've been doing a bit of an overhaul with our sister company AutoBuy at the studio as well, so it's been very busy at the minute, so we do apologise for the delay in the video. But we are here with the May edition of BecauseRaceCarBox. I have seen, unfortunately, a few of the things that are in this box now, because like I say, we're a week or so late doing the video. So it has spoiled the surprise for us, but we'll still talk through what is in the box, any other things we've used before, anything that we haven't, best usage instructions, that sort of thing. So let's take a look at what's in the box and see the various products we've got. Okay, so first out the box, as per usual, is the information and safety card. This is included in every box. It's a great idea from the team. It gives you the usage instructions and the contents of what is in the box. So it's a nice little referral guide, especially if you get some of the product on one of the labels and damage it for any reason. You've got this little card to refer to with the instructions. So I can see we've got 4 main products in here, but I can see there's a couple of other little goodies as well. One thing has particularly caught my eye, which we'll get to in a moment, but it looks like a nice box indeed. So let's have a look at the first product. I'm going to dive straight in actually with the one that has caught my eye, which I'm guessing is this one just here. Yes, it is indeed. We have in fact got a ceramic coating in here. Now, for those of you not familiar with ceramic coatings, this one is by AutoGlanz, I should add, sorry. This is the AutoGlanz P1 Light ceramic coating. So ceramic coatings are almost like, you'll hear them described as a glass coat for paintwork. Almost act like a second clear coat on your paintwork. It takes a fair amount of skill to apply. I wouldn't attempt applying a ceramic coating unless you know what you're doing. You really do need to decontaminate your paintwork. You really do need to machine polish your paintwork, otherwise the coating won't bond properly. So ceramic coating is applied. They usually have a minimum of a 12-month durability. I'm not sure on the durability of this one off the top of my head, or glancing at the bottle. I don't know if it says on the instructions at all. No, I'm not sure on the durability on that one. Oh, yep. P1 Light will offer upwards of 12 months protection, so in excess of a year. So like I say, you apply it to the paintwork, leave it to cure for a good 12 to 24 hours normally. I'd imagine that's the case with this one as well. I haven't looked at the finer details instruction-wise. And it gives you insane water behaviour, really high levels of protection. So if you're short on time for maintaining your car, a ceramic coating is fantastic because it makes that a lot easier. Ceramics are usually very expensive, so to get one in the subscription box this month is amazing. So really keen to do that. We do apply ceramic coatings in our sister company. It's a bit of a specialism of ours, so I'll be definitely looking forward to putting this through its paces. Very stylish little product as well, so looking forward to that one. And what I've seen they've included, which is fantastic as well, is the follow-up product for it. So this is SP1 Auto by AutoGlanz. This is a ceramic top coat. So ceramic coatings periodically will just need a little bit of a refresher. The coating itself might not deteriorate at all. It'll still be doing its thing in terms of protecting from chemicals, from UV rays, that sort of thing. But the very utmost water tightness, the surface tension might go just from industrial fallout, just general dirt and grime. And occasionally you just need to reinvigorate it. So they've included that in here as well. So you've got the coating itself to initially protect your car, and then the top coat to maintain it moving forward. So that's awesome to get in the subscription box this month. So big props to both Racecar and AutoGlanz for getting that in the box. That is a really nice thing to get. You've got a little instruction card from the team at AutoGlanz there, a separate one from the Racecar one for any additional information. Okay, got the standard pair of gloves. Okay, so we've got 2 more products and a couple of accessories I can see as well. Right, so this is a product from 4K Detail. This is Infinity. I must confess I am not sure what this is from looking at the label. It is a hybrid polish. Okay, so it's an all-in-one polish. So what all-in-one products tend to be is it will have a very slight cut to it. It'll be filler heavy, and it will contain some sort of protection like a liquid wax. So as you apply it, you manage to remove a few defects, fill the ones that you can't remove if they're light, and put some protection down at the same time. So it's a great quick way to put an all-in-one, as the name suggests, on your car. So I wouldn't recommend using this before the ceramic, because this will probably impair the bonding of the ceramic. Oh, smells very nice as well. Yeah, so I wouldn't put this on before the ceramic. Ceramic bonds to a perfectly clean surface, so you want to strip the surface of polishing oils once you finish polishing. But good for if you're putting a short-term protection on your car, I'm sure. Finally, product-wise, we have Auto Perfect Car Care Interior Pro. This is a fabric and leather sealant, so very protection heavy box today. We've got the polish, the ceramic, and an interior protection. So yeah, this, as the name suggests, is a fabric and leather protective coating. So once you've deep cleaned your interior, you can use this to protect it. So I'd imagine it will protect from stains, any spillages, that sort of thing, and make maintenance of your interior a lot easier. And going forward, keep your interior looking as good as it can. So nice, like I say, protection focused box this month. We've also got in here a couple of accessories. Now you're probably wondering what this is, and there's a little cloth as well here. This will be for the ceramic application. Like I say, I haven't looked at the instructions, but I would imagine with my experience with ceramics that you wrap this around this applicator block. It allows you to get a nice even pressure when you're putting the ceramic on, going back and forth, because what you don't want is any high spots when you're doing a ceramic, so it allows you to level it nicely. So a nice little complete kit in there. And then finally, check it is finally before I speak too soon. Yeah, finally we've got a couple of air fresheners in there, a NOS bottle one, and it looks like a piston. So yeah, it's always nice to get air fresheners, so that completes a very, very generous box indeed, particularly with the ceramic coating in there. So I would say it's definitely the most generous box to date in terms of value of contents. Brilliant, looking forward to trying all those, should be good. Thank you for checking out another of our videos on the Trusty Car Products YouTube channel, and thank you to RaceCarBox as always for sending us the amazing BecauseRaceCarBox for us to have a look at. This was May's edition. Like I say, we're a little bit late getting this one done, so June's edition will probably be here any day now, but we're definitely glad we still checked this out because the contents of it are fantastic this month. So make sure you go and visit the RaceCarBox website if you want to get a box or subscribe for yourself. They do one-off boxes as well as subscriptions. And they have a wide range of accessories on there as well. And if you pop in the code TrustyCarProducts10, TrustyCarProducts, ignore the 10. If you pop in the code TrustyCarProducts, you get 10% off your first box and off all accessories on the website. So go check that out. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Please pop a like on the video if you like what you saw. If you didn't, please say, and we'll try and address any issues with the videos in future that you don't like. But we always love to hear from you in the comments, so make sure you pop your comments below. Cheers guys, and we'll see you soon.